Hi, beautiful angels. This is Mystic C from Magic Wednesday Tarot, and this is your September love and work forecast for Pisces. Yes, friends, if your sun sign, moon sign, rising sign is in Pisces, this reading is for you. If you know Pisces, you can cross watch it for them. Make sure to subscribe, like, and share Magic Wednesday Tarot. Click the bell icon so you never miss a reading. Join us on Instagram, friends, and to buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicquenstarot.com. So, friends, this is a general reading. It may resonate or it may not. And excuse my throat is a little raspy. Yeah, it happens, friends. It happens. Can't be helped. It's better now, actually. So let us see, friends, how Pisces, how your September will be. Also, if you want to check out the September pick a card readings, I have already done them, friends, so make sure to check that out. So let us see Pisces, the theme of the month for Pisces. September, theme of the month for Pisces. What is the theme of the month? Ooh, silence. Interesting, the moon. Oh wow, so this is a very busy month for you, friends. There is some there is a lot of excitement. This is a fast paced month for you. I'll be honest, Pisces. And yeah, see, 7 7, so 7 is an important number for you this month. Firstly, this is an emotional time for you, Pisces. You may feel very stressed out. Also, this is a very fast paced month for you, so you will have a little tough time balancing your work, your love life, your family. Also, this is a time of emotions. This is a time of connecting with the universe. This is also a month of healing, recovery. I definitely feel some of you are recovering. If you have any health issues, this month is the month you will recover. Also, this is a month of healing, connecting with the universe. Also, you're a little sensitive about this month, friends, because also you are searching for peace, Pisces. You are searching for peace in this month because the world events may affect you. The politics in the world, whatever is happening in the world, may actually affect you a little this month because you're very sensitive, Pisces. You're really sensitive. So take some time to balance this energy of sensitivity. Take some time to focus away from social media. Take some time away from social media, work, and all these tensions and burdens, and just go on a holiday, meditate, relax. Also, the more slow you take this month, the better this month will be for you, friends, because the pace is fast in this month. Things will happen very quickly, but the more slow you go, the better you will feel and enjoy this month's Pisces. So also somebody from the past or someone is gossiping, or there is a person who loves you but they kind of hides it, or they kind of play mind games with you. So that is also a little irritating factor for you right now or in this month of September. So, how is this month for you actually, Pisces? It is a month of healing, it is a month of recovery, it is also a month of you taking a break, you going on a vacation, you putting yourself first, you saying no to stress, you saying no to quitting, you saying no to any bad habits like smoking, drinking, anxiety, late night binge watching. You saying no, I will not do it because I want to relax, because all these things are causing you stress this month. Also, crazy workload, so get ready for that. So this is a month of recovery for you, friends. This is a month of taking it slow, taking it as it comes. Also, this is a month your emotions are high, so this is a month of intensity for you, Pisces. Let us see your love life. This cards definitely want to come out. It's just gonna jump, keeps jumping everywhere. Pisces, their love life in Pisces in September for Pisces. Yeah, see, you're exhausted. Oh my god, Pisces, I feel you. You guys are like emotional sponges. You take everybody's burdens, you take the world's burden, and then you are like, what is happening with me? Nothing. Okay, some of you may actually be ending a relationship, or you are recovering from a loss of a relationship. Something you may have lost in the past, or you are recovering from it. Pisces, their love life in September. All right. Yeah, your person could be Pisces, your person could be an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini that you are dealing with, or they could themselves be a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person. I feel like a lot is happening in your love life. Let us see from the first week. Okay. So I feel when you start the first week of September, friends, you are feeling very exhausted, you are feeling tired, you are also feeling burdened when it comes to your love life. You're not feeling really happy, or I feel you're tired of work also, workload, work pressures. So you're fed up. You're like, you need a break. You need some sort of a, you know, like you need a getaway. You need a holiday. I also feel that for some of you, you could be clinging to the past, or your partner is clinging to the past, and that's causing undue pressure on your relationship. So there are issues of the past and pressure. This first week is pressure cooker situation. You feel tired, you feel exhausted, your partner is feeling the same. You need to get out of the past situations or over the past conflicts and issues. And if you do that, yes, there will be a new romance, a new high, a new love coming for you, a reunion happening for you. And yes, Two of Cups, definitely first week of September is about love and partnerships. The more you let go of the past and say yes to the new, or say yes to the now, the better it will be for you, Pisces. So no more crying about the past. Say yes to the new you. Say yes to enjoying yourself. Take a break, go out on a date, or have some time. I feel work life may also be affecting your love life in the first week. So take a day out from your work and go on a date. It will really improve your love life. If you are single, high chances of meeting somebody in the first week. And it might be somebody you work with or study with, or somebody who lives nearby. So, like, you already know them, or you kind of know them, somewhere, something like that. So, that is the first week of September for you. Let's see the second week of September. Okay, definitely, friends. There is, you're still feeling a little emotional about things. I feel this is not about your past or present or future. This is about the world. The world situation has really, the energies are putting a pressure on you, Pisces. I do feel some of you are maybe letting go, or recovering from a heartache or something like that. But yes, this week family will really help you to stay positive. And also some of you may actually get good relationships or good vibes, good talks, good moments with your family, with your in-laws. And this will be a good week for you. You connecting with family, you connecting with friends, there is emotional harmony, there is love. Also, the more less judgmental you are, the better this week will be for you, Pisces. I also feel your person who left you, somebody from the past who really want to visit you, and they still love you. I do feel this person could be married, or you guys are married. I do feel there is somebody who played politics in this connection, like family. They are from a different religion, culture. I do feel a past person is coming back from for you in September, and in the second week there will be end of judgments and end of conflict, and love and harmony finally coming back. See each other from the eyes of love. Let's see the third week. Yeah, I do feel that even though you are in a relationship, Pisces, you may still be feeling a little alone this month, because your partner is behaving like, in the third week, your partner may be like too much focused on money. They are sharing again less emotionally, and you will be like, what is wrong with your person? What is wrong with this person? Why can't they tell me? Why are they again ghosting me? Why are they running away from me? So some old patterns may again reappear in your partner or in your love life, and it may be hard. It may affect you emotionally, and you may feel lonely, or your partner may feel lonely. I do feel that your partner is going through some important changes, physically, emotionally, as well as spiritually. So this is a month of changes, emotional, spiritual changes for you, Pisces. I do feel that for some of you, if your person is still ghosting you, blocking you, and you see there is no radical change in this person, it is time to move on from them. If you see this person is changing, then yes, you may say yes to that person. I do feel this relationship might still cause you anxiety. This person could be a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person. You know, you have to focus in the third week, you have to focus on yourself, Pisces, because your person is focusing on money, on what is not working, on how, you know, your person may also be listening to a lot of other people. What are they saying about this relationship? They might be ghosting, blocking, no contact with you again. But you have to focus on yourself. The more you focus on yourself, the more this person is drawn back to you. So instead of worry, instead of stress, stay blessed. And that's exactly what you need to do. This is your mantra for September. Instead of stress, I would stay blessed. So let's see the final week. You're very, very independent, and your person is really drawn to your sexual energy. Pisces, you are oozing with confidence. Your sexual energy is great. Your person is really drawn to it. I do feel your person can't stop thinking about you. They are obsessed about you in some way. In the second week, this could be an online connection, or you guys are in a long distance relationship, so more talk is happening online. And also, your person is seeing you as a mirror. There might be projection, so you know what you feel is a your partner's issue, or your partner is missing something, is actually missing within you, or what your partner is blaming you for, that might be their own fault. So you guys are mirrors of each other, and look at that, again changes are happening. Deep changes, spiritual changes is the need for you in your love life. Spiritual, emotional changes, Pisces. Wow, it's a great month. It's a month of emotional maturity for you. Let's see some advice for you, Pisces. Also, be careful of people who will cheat or who will cause problems in your relationship. Yes, I do feel there might be third party affecting your love life. So be careful of that. And also be careful of your person. If especially if this is an ex, a toxic ex, be careful of it. You know, a toxic ex might return. Discontent and boredom. Advice for Pisces. Truth. Yeah, you have to really be honest with yourself, Pisces. Some of you may actually enter a relationship just because you are bored or discontent, or you just feel very much worked out. You need somebody. So it's like, I got to need somebody. No, there's that song also. I can't remember the name of that song. So I usually put it in my Instagram stories, that music, that song. So for some of you, the advice is that, you know, you may be bored and you might want to return back, or, you know, connect back with the toxic ex. So be careful about that, Pisces. Another thing is, be careful of what you are manifesting in your love life, or you are projecting in your love life, Pisces. So be careful. Listen carefully what the person is saying, or what people are saying. What is the truth, what is the lie? Because gossip or politics is there. Someone may not be saying the truth, and you need to hear it carefully. If you hear it, you will your intuition is sharp, so you know you will be able to see the answers. You will be able to see if the person is real and honest. Also, marriage is very important for some of you. Yes, marriage is important. You want long term commitment, marriage, and family might affect your relationship. So try and be polite about, try and be, take it in your stride. That's what it is. Let us see your work and career, Pisces. Your work and career in the month of September. Can't believe we are in September, seriously. The devil, the fertility, the empress, the ace of wands, the four of swords, and the star. Wow, three major arcanas already. Interesting. So you are very, very tempted to do a lot of hard work. Seriously, this month, Pisces, your ambitions are running over the top, over the moon. You are very ambitious. You want to achieve a lot. You want to overdo. You want to over extremely do and achieve a lot. Also, you may want to cross the line. Even if you are in business, you may be tempted to take the wrong things, wrong routes. So be a little careful, because the desire to achieve success by a shortcut will be very high, Pisces. So don't try to do that. Because you have the Empress energy. Look at that, you are going places this month. You have a lot of green thumb. Whatever you touch, it will turn lucky, it will turn great. Your luck will be very very strong in your career, in your studies. So if you are giving any exams, you will be very lucky in your exam results. Also, if your money will come, by luck, by if you play, like, some lottery may come, some extra money will come. You're very lucky. If you get any coupons, you will win more money in that. But you have to be careful, because you may get greedy. Pisces, you gotta get greedy this month, and you may overdo this green thumb thing. Like, gambling, you start, working too much, too long hours, you start smoking too much, working too much. So balance is the key for you. Balance is very 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 important, and you just can't work 24/7. You also need rest, so you have to balance out. The Empress knows when to work and when to sleep. She takes proper care of everything, and that is how you need to be. Also, this month some new things will be starting for you, a new project, a new job. Some of you could be starting a new class, a new course, a new project, a new university or college. So that will make you very excited, but it may also make you also anxious and stressed out. This month also, your wishes regarding your money, your career and your studies is gonna come true. So keep wishing, keep believing, and keep working. Your wish is gonna come true. Some of you may even get fame, instant fame, like, you write a comment, it gets a lot of views. You make a content, it gets fame, it gets famous, it gets trending, it gets viral. There is a lot of fame in what you are doing, lot of luck, success. And one thing you will not want to do in September, that is rest and rejuvenate. I think some of you may even forget to drink water, so please drink water. Also, some of you should drink honey because I think you will need it, because some of you may have Pisces sharp tongue this month. I don't know why. Because you will know who is doing office politics, who is behind your back. If there are friends gossiping, you will know and you will tell them the truth. So try to be kind, try to mix words with honey. That will be helpful. Let us see your advice, Pisces. Pisces, advice for our beautiful Pisces: harmony and resolution, and the Mother, Father, God, and take charge in action. So yeah, take charge in action. Yeah, take charge of your energy and lead, but also remember to stay in harmony. And resolutions in your love life are coming, harmony is coming, peace is coming. Also, you are a leader when it comes to your work and career. You are very ambitious. Also, friends, don't try to work too hard. If you are a student, be balanced. You might get sick if you keep on studying, without a strategy. So don't do that. Don't do that. I do feel headaches will be common for you, Pisces. Headaches or anxiety, high BP. You might have too much caffeine this month because of the stress, because of the ticking clock. You are like tick, 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 tick. Take some rest. Go out in the nature. Go out in the swimming pools if you can, or if you can have a hot shower or something, go for that. Whew, crazy energies. Let us see some extra messages for Pisces. Okay, they'll take them all. They just wanna come. They'll not stop coming, even if I try to put them back. So no point. So let's see, friends. Yes, skull hidden secrets can harm you. Yeah, you will actually be very intuitive. Spiritual love. Love is very spiritual. Love is also transformative for you. You are on the road to success. Yes, sunrise, new creative ideas, new venture, a fresh start is coming. Rainbow, the most difficult part of a situation is over. Money path, a path with money is opening for you. Secret admirer is coming. Do not worry too much. Whale. Mountain. There are challenges to overcome. October, somebody born in October is important, or the month after September. October is coming, which will give you peace. Peace and harmony is coming. Wow, I said peace. The card came out peace. Starting something new. Some of you are buying something new, a vehicle, I think. Scooter, something like that. Bike. February and October are important. Family is very important to you. October, December, February are important. Someone will gossip. Yeah, gossipers are, you hate gossipers this month. Financial pinch. Yeah, I told you that. Remember? You are lucky with money, but don't try to invest your money in, like, those quick schemes of where your money gets doubled, tripled, and 10 times in just nothing. Don't do that. Don't go for that. Do not make gamble. Gamble only does ramble. Changes in your life. Moon. So yeah, it's an emotional month for you. Family sorrow. Some of you may actually face some issues with family. Hard work ahead. Yeah, it's a busy, very busy month for you. Things will not always, changes are coming. A younger woman is important for you. Key successful outcomes to your problems. So this is a great month. Plan it well, Pisces. And that's it for now. Subscribe, like, and share Magic Wins Tarot. Join us on Insta. And to buy a reading, visit our website. This is Mystic C saying bye bye.